Do you want to know how to record your device screen with Microsoft PowerPoint software? Then you just arrived to the right video. Salam እንዴት ናችሁ? My name is Johannes and in this video I am going to show you the simple step on how to record using your already existed Microsoft PowerPoint software. To follow along, make sure to have the recent version of the app installed in your computer, but for those of you who don't have the software, I do not recommend that you download it just for the sake of screen recording because it is expensive since its purpose is mainly for document related stuff and only do screen recording as a side job. You guys, what you have to do is download free screen recording softwares like OBS. If you are interested, why don't you? It's free, yes? The link is in the description. Or those of you who are wondering, is it true? Yes, follow me with these simple steps. Step 1, open the Microsoft PowerPoint app and click one of the templates. Step 2, head over to Insert tab and click it. Then on the upper right hand corner, click Screen Recording option. Step 3, after that, a small box will pop up on the screen with 5 basic options. 6 actually. Check the record pointer option if you want to record the pointer. Check the audio option if you want to add audio to the recorded video, but here what you have to know is it doesn't record the system audio. Anyways, no problem, still it can record from external sources like when you talk a bunch of things which is expected from a person who uploads his very first YouTube video with a second tongue. Select area option is the thing you should focus on. It lets you select how much of the screen you want to record. Make sure to click and drag based on the area of your choosing. The main ingredient of this video is the record option. To translate my entire video into action, click it and enjoy doing what you do. If you want to pause while you are recording, the pause button is waiting for you to click on it when the cat says meow while you are doing your stuff. And to finish recording, press on your keyboard Windows key, Shift key and Q at the same time. Or click the stop recording button after you hover over to the middle top of the screen. But how do we save it? Then comes step 4. After we finished our screen recording, the video will be immediately added to the slide that we are currently in. So to save the video, right click on the video, then click Save Media as option, and it will be saved in MP4 format in your device. Also, you can do a basic edit to the file before saving, but this is not included in this video. Generally speaking, it is a decent screen recording app, and for those of you who had it already, consider it a big free plus. The disadvantage you have with this screen recording software is it is not useful to record gaming. Anyways, it is not fair to call this a disadvantage. Good job for Microsoft for integrating this base feature into PowerPoint software, and good job for you. You just unlock the wow factor with PowerPoint and screen recording. And thanks for sticking with me to the end of the video. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It will help me do better videos, rank me higher in suggested videos, also helping me develop my English. If you are interested in tech related how-to videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will love to hear your comments. I am Johannes and this is Mr. No Idea. I will meet you when the next video pops up in your YouTube notification or when it comes suggested or searched. Wherever you are, may God keep you safe. Peace.